Hey, what's up guys? So I'm going to be showing you how to add panels to your Glimesh profile and how to add links to them. So you're going to go to imgur.com. Don't go to new post because for some reason when you do new post and add an image, you won't get the links you need. So you're going to go to the top right, click on images, add an image, go to the image you just uploaded, copy the markdown link, go back to your Glimesh profile through the settings. You're going to paste. Now, if you're just adding a panel, just add an exclamation point to the front, update your settings, and it will be on your channel. Now, if you were wanting to add a link to your panel, you're gonna do a bracket in front of the exclamation point. End bracket at the end, open up another parentheses. And then you're gonna, after the parentheses, you're going to add the link. Let me see, where is it? Okay, so that is for my YouTube. So you're gonna paste the link and then you're gonna close it off with another parentheses and then update your settings. Go back to your channel and see how I can click on it. It'll go to my YouTube. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Pretty simple. It's a little confusing at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's cake. But that's it for me. Have a good rest of y'all's night. Hope to see y'all tomorrow streaming over on Glimesh. See ya.